Intramuros. Kung taga rito ka, malamang dinala ka na rito sa field trip ng grade 4. Kung turista ka naman, welcome to Cobblestone Cardio. Pero kung pagod ka na sa kakalibot, Ilustrado isn't a bad way to reset. Pagpasok mo pa lang, may old world charm agad. May chandeliers at hagdang kahoy na mukhang may sariling memoir. And it's regularly featured in Tatler's best restaurants list. Elegant pero hindi uptight. Parang lumang bahay na inayos ng may respeto. May linen tablecloth, may centerpiece, pero hindi presyoso. It's that space between homey and formal. Comfortable, but still may sense of occasion. May outdoor seating din. Sa kabilang cafe area, meron silang gallery wall, mga piraso ng kultura na kung kagaya ko na may edad na, baka naabutan mo pa sa totoong buhay. They also have a respectable wine selection, carefully curated and suited for a relaxed meal or a quiet celebration. Pwede sa special occasions, pero swak din sa simpleng lunch. Service was reasonably good, attentive but never hovering. We had a bit of everything. Lengua, paella ilustrado, kare-kare, and bagnet. The food here isn't trying to be groundbreaking. It's comforting, familiar, the kind of cooking your yaya used to make. Pag-inspired siya. Here comes the flambe. A little drama, a little dessert, and the thrill of wondering kung may fire extinguisher nga ba nearby. Part cooking demo, part live stunt. May 1 segundo na delay bago ikaw magtatanong sa sarili mo. May alak ba na tumalsik sa carpet? O imagination ko lang? Sampaguita ice cream. Lasa siyang bulaklak. It can trigger thoughts about that Santo Niño in your lola's hallway. Kung gusto mong kainan na may konting thrill, konting nostalgia, at maraming sarap, Ilustrado hits the mark. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a good excuse to eat out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.